everyone, this is Claudia here from the Bookkeeping Experts. I've been a bookkeeper accountant for a long time, over 20 years. I absolutely love to help people like you understand QuickBooks Online and use the information from QuickBooks Online to take your business to the next level. In order to get to the right point of reference, you need to make sure you enter the right information in QuickBooks Online. You do your reconciliation, categorization, and after all is done, it's time to check your financials. That's why you input all the right information so you can get to your financials and see the health of your business. We already talked about the profit and loss, which is your situation at the current accounting period, means all your income and all your expenses. We talk about the balance sheet. The balance sheet is what is your business, what is how much you owe on your business, and if you were to liquidate all your business, what's your net value? What's your business net value? So it's an accumulation of assets, liabilities, and equity. All right, so that's what the balance sheet is all about. Very important statement. And then what comes after that is the statement of cash flow. Why is it important for us to talk about the statement of cash flow? Well, cash is cash. If you don't have cash into an organization, that organization is not going to last long. Okay, so that's why it's important for us to go over the cash. So it's all the money in and money out, cash in, cash out. All right, so without much further ado, we're going to go ahead and share with you QuickBooks. We're going to go straight into QuickBooks, and we're going to go into the statement of cash flow. How to get there? Left-hand side reports. And I have mine under preference, favorites, and there it is. Okay, so you can change your date right over here. And here is what's going on with the statement of cash flow. The first thing you're going to see is all the money in, and that is from operating activities and then from financial activities as well. So that means loan will increase the cash flow. Absolutely, because you're putting cash into your business. Once you start paying on the loan, then you're taking cash out of your business. But that's okay. You want to pay that. But that's, you do have to have access to cash in order to run a successful business. So the first part, I'm going to see the net income and any other income related to operating activities. The next tab is going to be financial operations. So you have your credit cards, your loans, and so on and so forth. And then after the financial activities, you're going to have your equity. So owner's draw, owner's investment. So when you put money into your company, owner's investment, you're increasing the cash. When you take money out of the company, you're decreasing the cash. So one thing that is very important to notice is that this is not the same thing as your income. It's not your profit and loss. This is not going to measure your revenue for the year. This is only going to measure how the situation, the route of your cash. What's going on with the cash in your business? Okay. So keep in mind, this could be a lot larger, especially if you have a lot of activities with loans and with equity and so on and so forth. So this one is a very simplified statement of cash flow because this is just a simple company. Okay, finally, the most important part of the statement of cash flow, you want to check your net cash for the beginning of the year, okay? And what's your net cash increase for the period? That is an important part to verify. And finally, your cash at the end of the period. Now, one thing that can help a lot, if you want to verify, to measure how you're doing with the cash, you can do it by months or you can do it by quarters, and you can compare what's going on with your cash. And obviously, like I said, this is a simple company. It doesn't say much. But, you can take a look in January, for instance. Um, the net cash was a negative amount, means that I spent more cash than what I added to the business. In February, you see there's some cash coming in, so it's a positive amount. It's an increase. March is an increase. April is an increase. May is an increase. So you have the net cash for the period, and finally, at the end of the period is your total net cash increase for the year. Okay. But in order to see the beginning balance, you will have to do just totals. Totals only. Run report. Oh, and there it is. Okay. So this is where you can see the net increase or decrease for the period and the cash at the beginning of the period. The other report will only show you, if you do it by months, it's just going to show you what is the increase each month. It doesn't show you the cash at the beginning period. All right, so this is the statement of cash flow. Once again, it is super important for you to stay on top of your cash. If you want to keep track of what's going on with your cash through the months, you can, or quarters, you can click on quarterly or by month, and you'll be able to see what's going on. If your cash is going up, way to go, that's great. If your cash is going down, that's a reason of concern. You should verify what's going on with your payments, and make sure that you have enough cash inflow and less cash outflow, right? Especially in the economy the way it is right now, you want to make sure you have some cash, and that cash will help you in case there's a couple of months or a few months of slowing down your business. That's a way for you to, be the last one standing in case of a change in economy. Of course, we are optimistic. We always want to look for a bright future, and what we like to think is that you are the master of your destiny. Means that regardless of the economy, and we're gonna get out of here right now. We're gonna come back. Okay. Regardless of what's going on with the economy, going on with the world, you are the master of your business. You can make money even in a tough economy. As a matter of fact, successful businesses usually come out of those hard times. Those are the times when successful businesses start, during the hard times, because they don't know any better, and when they start during the rough times, they're gonna work really, really hard, and that's what you gotta do. So if the economy is slowing down, is it time for you to slow down? No way. On the contrary, it's a time for you to work harder to make sure you maintain, or actually not even maintain, you want to grow your business even in the tough economy. Find ways to increase your share. Either if you diversify your business, that's a good way for you to increase, or increase your number of clients by investing more on advertisement. And keep in mind that advertisement doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg. There's different ways for you to advertise. There's social media out there. Of course, you can pay for social media, but there's free ways for you to do. Put your YouTube channels out there and put your videos. Do an email promotion. Knock on doors. Networking is a great way to increase business, regardless of what kind of business you are. If you're a restaurant and you know that there's not as many people coming into the restaurant, how about catering? Make sure you increase your catering, because for catering, you don't need another restaurant. You just need maybe more cooks, and maybe more staff to go and serve the customer, but not more space. So that's a great way to increase your income without increasing your operations expenses as much, or your fixed expense. So that those are just some ideas for you to continue growing regardless of the conditions or the economic conditions. You can keep on growing by working hard and being creative, using all resources instead of just limiting yourself to do the same thing over and over again. One thing that I like a lot is to challenge myself. If I know that something that I'm doing the same thing over and over again is just getting a little stagnant, that's time for me to start thinking of doing something that is challenging. It's completely out of the what I'm used to do. Either take a course, start going to a new network group or whatever you want to do. Get out of your comfort zone and get out there. Make sure you get your fair share. Okay, so that's the main goal here. I'm here to help you understand your business, your financials, but in what for, so you can understand what you have to do to take your business to the next level. Once you know your numbers, you're competing with yourself. You can do a horizontal analysis and see how your business is doing and what you need to do to take it to the next level, no matter what the economy is. Okay, I'm here to help you be successful, and I absolutely love to hear from you. So if you like this content, please share with your coworkers, share with your friends, and share with the world, and subscribe to our channel. Keep in mind, just a small portion of the people who watch this channel every week subscribe to our channel. And we promise, if you subscribe to our channel, we promise that we'll continue improving the quality of our videos and continue bringing to you information that will help you with your business, will help you either if you're an accountant, a bookkeeper, or a business owner. We want to help you out. We want you to be better, become better, more informed with QuickBooks Online, and use that information so that you can grow your business. You can take it to the next level. You have your point of reference and the exact route that you need to follow in order to achieve what you need to achieve. Success is our goal. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching and spending this time with me. I want to spend more time with you. So I'm going to put lots of content out there, lots of relevant information that will help you with your business. So come back for more and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, keep on smiling.